Welcome back to Illuminating Life, the bathroom edition. Today we're going to talk about the LED tape light that we used. The tape light that we used comes from WAC, and we chose a low lumen output. We wanted to create just a soft glow underneath the cabinet. We also put it on an occupancy sensor so that when you come into the bathroom at any time, be it the middle of the night or the middle of the day, you get that nice warm glow and it just looks beautiful. We did plan ahead for a lot of different things with this tape light. We knew we wanted an even consistency of light, so we chose not to use a channel so that we could just loop it right over the ridge line between the cabinets. Because we do have light underneath the cabinet, the light will travel up between the cabinets. So we did make sure that we put a board behind the seam of the cabinet so that we didn't have a line of light that would come through when the light was on. We did also plan for access through our cabinetry. If there's any issues with the transformer or anything like that, we have easy access and can take care of any issues that way. We used the 3000 Kelvin again, which is what we've used throughout the whole bathroom, so we have a consistency of light as well. Little touches like this take your bathroom to the next level. Let us help you illuminate your life.